Hi, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alice, and here we discuss the wisdom of Oracle decks and how they can apply to your everyday lives. It's a great way to expand your growth every day. Okay, we'll be right back. Okay, so let's get started. Today I am using the Soul Truth deck that I absolutely love. It's a great way to wake up in the morning, get your self-care done, and pick a card to see what the theme of that day would be, or something to ask yourself for the week. For today, the card that came up, I think this is pretty apropos. Am I getting enough rest to restore my energy and fully show up to my life? A really good question that we should all be asking ourselves. I know I have needed a little bit more lately. The energies are just wow. Yeah. So I know you've been feeling it too. So putting that out there. So you are the asset, right? To fully show up, you need to be the asset, right? This body is your vehicle. Notice how your body is feeling, how much sleep you're getting, and what you can do to help your body rest. This is really important in today's age where everything's so fast. We're getting information so fast. Our brain is going 10 million miles a minute. It is amazing that we even get a chance to rest because there's so much to get done and so much happening. So today's soul action is take a bath, put on some lavender essential oil, go to bed ridiculously early, or give yourself a timeout today. Notice your body thanking you. Our bodies are our first signal to if something is going on with us. That could be a twinge anywhere in your body. Whenever your body is talking to you like that, listen. It is so important. We are so in a movement age that we just go so fast that we forget to think about, oh, why does my lower back twinge right now? What's happening? Why is that sore? What have I done? Or what can I do to make that better? Right? So your body's calling yourself back to you all the time. That is a full on that all the time. Your body's calling you back to itself because our society is so that we're outside of ourselves all the time. There's so much information. I hope from the last video you went to go see what's underneath the pyramid. Now that's some fun information. Anyway, let's get back to the topic. I just had to put that out there. It's really interesting information happening right now. So like I said, we're being overloaded. There's so much happening, right? That are you fully showing up to your life? Are you restoring your energy enough? Right? So it's time to take time for yourself and say no to things that you don't really need to do. Right? So it says today's mantra, the more I give myself permission to rest, the more I can contribute. Yeah, when your vessel is full and you're full, you can give all you want. But when we're half full and we're still giving and doing and doing and doing, you're going to get, empty pretty quick, right? So just remember that it is a time of rest when you find yourself out of sorts and you're not really fulfilling your life the way you want it to be fulfilled. Yeah, it's time to rest, restore, and renew yourself. And you can't make this stuff up sometimes with oracle decks and tarot cards and all that kind of stuff. But I also decided to choose from this deck from Rebecca Campbell. And I just found this absolutely fascinating. So we get this card that says, am I getting enough rest to restore my energy? Right? And fully show up in my life. And then we get this card from Rebecca that says deep replenishment. Retreat, rest, and be held. So I also asked the question, is this what we all should be doing right now? I asked that question, and this is the card that came up. I can't make this stuff up. I thought it was going to be just a regular other card, but nope. it said yes. This is what we all should be doing right now is retreat, rest, and be held, whichever way we can find that for ourselves. A lot of times it's about going out in nature and enjoying that, replenishing yourself, getting away from anything that says society right now. Just saying, it is time to sit by a tree, go to the park, sit on a bench, watch the ducks in the pond. Slowing down and resting, you're being productive. That is part of productivity, is restoring yourself and resting. Because after you get your vessel filled, then you could do more. So always remember that rest and restoration are part of our everyday lives, and we can't forget about it. Okay? So this week, decide what you want to do for yourself this week and restore yourself. Okay, have a wonderful week, and I'll see you again on Friday. Bye.